Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to solve one of the production planning and control illustration. This question already comes in December 2017 examinations. Carries 10 marks. Very important and very easy questions. You just need to read the questions carefully as many times as possible. Here in question given that a department work on 8-hour shift 285 days a year and has the usage data of a machine as given below. Here product ABC given, annual demand given 360, 435, 570, processing time, that is standard time in hours, given 756. So we need to calculate processing time needed in hours to produce product A, B and C, annual production capacity of one machine in standard hours, and number of machine requires. Only 3 we need to calculate. First, processing time needed in hours to produce product A, B and C, annual production capacity of one machine in standard hours, and number of machines required. So let's solve this question. First, processing time needed in hours to produce A, B and C. So here product given ABC, product annual demand given 360, 435, 570. So here annual demand, then processing time, that is standard hours, and here product A, B, C, annual demand given 360, 435, 570. So 360, 435 and 570, right? Processing time given 7 hour, 5 hour, 6 hours. 7 hour, 5 hour, 6 hours. 6 hours. Okay. So now we have to calculate processing time needed in hours. Processing time needed in hours, right? So here processing time, how to calculate processing time needed in hours for A, B and C. We need to multiply annual demand into processing time. We just need to multiply annual demand with processing time. So in this way, 360 into 7, 360 into 7, 2520. Then for product B, 435 into 5, 2175. And for product C, processing time will be 570 into 6. 570 into 6 is equal to 3420. Now the sum total will be 2520 plus 2175 plus 3420. Right answer will be 8115. 8115 hours. This is the processing time needed in hours to produce product A and B and C. 8115. So very easy and very simple. We just need to multiply with annual demand with processing time in order to find out the consolidated processing time needed in hours for all the product, that is A, B and C. Now second question, annual production capacity of one machine in standard hours. Very easy. Annual production capacity of one machine in standard hours. Here in question already given that a department works on 8 hours shift and 285 days a year. Means if we multiply 8 hours on work into 285 days, then we will find out the second questions. Annual production capacity of one machine in standard hours. Annual production capacity of one machine means here a department works on 8 hours shift into 285. We just need to multiply 8 hours into 285 days, then we obtain annual production capacity. Let's do it. Annual production capacity of one machine in standard hour is equal to 8 into 285 days. 8 hours into 8 hours into 285 days. So it will be 8 into 285 means 2280 hours a year. 280 hours a year. Okay, very easy. Then third question, number of machines required. Number of machines required. How to find out number of machines required? Number of machine required. How to find out number of machines required? The formula of number of machines required is workload per year. Workload per year divided by production capacity per machine. Production capacity per machine. Right. Workload per year divided by production capacity per machine. So here workload per year given, already solved, that is 8115 hours. This is workload per hour, you can say workloads per year. Workload per year, that is processing time, total processing time of product A, B and C, or you can say workload per year. So here eight 115 divided by production capacity per machine. Here annual production capacity of one machine in standard hours, 8 hours into 285 days, that is 2280. So this is the production capacity per machine, 2280. Now we can easily find out number of machines required, that is 115 divided by 2280 is equal to 3.5592. 3.5592 machines, or you can say 4 machines. This is the answer. Okay, very easy, and within very few minutes you can solve this question if you practice it as many times as possible. Very easy question. You just need to read the question carefully and read it as many times as possible so that you can solve this question. A department works on 8-hour shift 285 days a year and has the usage data of a machine as given below. Here product ABC, annual demand given, processing time, standard time in hour given. We need to calculate processing time needed in hours to produce product ABC. In this way, first you need to calculate annual demand into processing time so that we find out 8115 hours as workload per year, or you can say processing time needed in hour to produce product A, B and C. Then annual production capacity of one machine in standard hours will be multiplication of 8 hours into 285 days, that is 2280 hours year. Then third, number of machines required. Number of machines required formula is workload per year. Workload per year divided by production capacity per machine. Workload per year divided by production capacity per machine. So workload per year here given 8115 hours divided by production capacity per machine 2280, that is 3.5592 machine or approximately 4 machines. Okay, so this is it all about illustration number 4.B. This question already comes in December 2017 examinations. So thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for your support. Happy studying.